Welcome. This is 2014 government past question. Question number 29 says the Nigerian independent constitution was modified by the dash. The Nigerian independent constitution was modified by the dash. That is, the change that occurred in the independent constitution was influenced by wish of the constitution. So that is all the question. Option A is a 1963 constitution, B is a 1999 constitution, C is a 1989 constitution, D is a 1979 constitution. And I want to talk of independent constitution. Independent constitution came to be in 1960. That is independent constitution. So and what happened in 1963 is what we call first Republican Constitution. Then what happened in 1999 is what we call the fourth Republican Constitution. And what happened in 1989 is what we call the third Republican Constitution. The 1979 happened to be the second Republican Constitution. So the constitution that modified totally, that changed because of the independent constitution of 1960 was this fourth Republican Constitution of 1999. So option B is correct. Thank you. And